Okay, let's run this program now. I will press I00, and by the time I pressed on it, okay, normally it was supposed to activate 8 outputs. However, we only have 6 outputs here. If we have 8 outputs, all of them will be activated. Here I have only 6, that's why only 6 of them are activated now. And now when I press on the button, it reset all the things at the same time. Now we can try something else. For instance, let's name this Q01, and let's make the numbers of the output 2 this time. And for this, from Q01, 2 outputs. Let's try it.